What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how to access two different compartments on your 2019 Kawasaki Ninja 650. This is the non-ABS version. I'm almost positive that the ABS version is the exact same thing. So here we go. So step number one to access the gas tank is quite simple. First, flip open the door. Second, with your key in hand and or ready or in your pocket, insert the key into the key door. Next, turn the key to the right or clockwise, and it should either pop open or you just lift it open after. Step number three, once you have it open, to close it, you're basically doing the reverse process. So you're going to want to turn the key clockwise. As you'll see right here, the lock will open and close. So you want to close them so that you can close it. Next, you can let it go once you have the door closed. Then step four is you want to make sure that it's locked. So you're going to press down on the black section of the gas tank entrance. You'll usually hear a click. There we go. There's the click. And then step number five is you remove the key from the entrance. Step number six, close the door, and one end done. So the second compartment that we're going to be visiting today is also a quite simple one to access once you know how to do it. I actually didn't know how to access mine for a while until I played around with it and figured it out on my own. But long story short, we're going to be accessing the underside of the seats. Both of these parts can be removed. So here we go. Step number one is to come to the rear of your motorcycle. Then you have to go under the undertail part of the motorcycle, and you have to find one of these four doors or these little entrance parts that has the key part on it, and then you're gonna go over there. You're gonna find the key, you're gonna insert the key, and then you're going to turn it clockwise or right depending on how you want to orient yourself. Keep turning it right, and it's hard to do with a camera in hand, but I'm gonna figure out a way to do it. I have a tripod too, so I should be using it. So once you have it unlocked, and you could do this with, say I got one hand on the key and then the other hand on the seat, use it and then you can remove it. So in the order of how it is to be removed, you remove the back or the second rider seat section first. Let's just put that there for now. And then once you have the rear section removed, you can remove the main driver's seat. We'll just put that there for now. So here is where you'll find the battery terminal on the motorcycle, as well as the toolkit that comes with the bike. I still got mine. A lot of people usually get rid of these and replace them with their own custom toolkits, or they put other devices and other things back there, but I'm good with my basic toolkit that came with the bike for now. So you want to know how to access this compartment for a couple of main reasons. Number one, you need to have access to your battery. Motorcycle batteries are very much smaller than car batteries. They're usually the same voltage, and again, you should check with your manufacturer to see what voltage your motorcycle takes. In this case, mine's a normal 12.4 volt battery. It's just a lot smaller than a normal car battery, again, like I said. So you're bound to, if you leave your lights on or leave your accessories on too long, you're bound to probably have to jump your motorcycle because it's dead eventually. You know, again, they're just quite small, as you can see. Another key point I want to bring up is you can see how much storage space motorcycles actually have. Again, we don't have four seats. We don't have really a trunk space. You have basically the battery and a little section back here in the tail where you can put, you know, what are you going to put back there? You can't even probably put a bottle of water back there. But you should know how to access this in case you ever do have to jump your motorcycle, or you do have to put something in there. You know, I wouldn't really recommend putting anything valuable or crazy in there. I would just recommend buying like a rear seat or tail bag. You know, there's tons of them out there. You could find them, but you know, that's how you get access to the main rear tail space. So to put the seats back, it's basically the reverse process. It's quite simple. So first you get the main driver's seat, okay, and there is a little latch section underneath where you want to insert into this little section right here, and make sure it's even. This can be quite tricky, especially with one hand, right? And once you have that, you should have this little tab input into this frame section of the bike. Make sure it's good. It's locked in there. It looks like it's not going to go anywhere. Then the rear seat is basically the same exact thing. There's a little tab section on there. See it right there? That you're going to want to insert into the rear tail female section of the bike. You slide that in there. You'll hear a lock once it's locked, and then you're good to go. Should be sturdy. It might wiggle a little bit, but once you sit on it and you give it a little pressure from the top, it'll feel normal, and then you're good to go. Oh, you don't want to forget your keys. So oh shit, almost died. So the last step is to lock it. Fuck, there we go, and take the key out, and that's how you access both the gas tank component and the rear seat storage space. I don't really want to call it a storage space, but there we go. Thanks guys, appreciate you watching. Peace.